In this video, I'm going to show you how to private your Pinterest account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Pinterest app, and there could be two different ways how you can private your pins. The first way is just open up your profile, and then let's say you want to private just one single specific board. All you have to do in that case is open up that board and then tap at three dots icon and here select edit board. Now then all you have to do is just enable this feature, make this board secret. If this feature is enabled, only you and collaborators will see this board. Just don't forget to hit done here. And now if you want to make your profile private, you can hide your profile from search engines. Just go back to your profile and there hit at three dots icon, then tap on settings. Next, tap on privacy and data, and here just enable this feature, search privacy. Just hit at that switcher to toggle it on. It says that it takes several weeks for search engines to remove your profile from search results. That's how search engines works. Just tap here at I understand button, and if it was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.